Hey there! Every time you open VS Code after the monthly update, you are greeted with a Release Notes tab where you can see all the changes that came with that update. But let's say you no longer want to see the Release Notes tab. So that's why in this video, we're going to be looking at how to disable the Release Notes. So let's find out. The obvious way is to untick the Show Release Notes after an update, which can be found in the Release Notes tab. Another way is to go to the settings by pressing down Ctrl, and search for Show Release Notes and uncheck this checkbox. Now I want to point out a third case where for some reason you cannot get into your settings and you no longer have the Release Notes tab open. So you can reopen the Release Notes tab by going to Help and click Show Release Notes. And then you can untick the Show Release Notes after an update setting. Alright, that was it. If you enjoyed this video, go check out my VS Code playlist for more tutorials. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.